Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your tractor supply trailer that is jerking as you're pulling it. It's kind of hard to describe, but while I was pulling this in my little Ford Escape, I could really feel it jerking the vehicle back and forth as I was going along. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to jack up your trailer. And next you're going to grab the top and bottom of your wheel and check the wheel bearings. And that's what I found was the problem with mine. The wheel bearings were bad, but as I got into it later, the wheel bearings themselves aren't bad. It's just the axle nut is not torqued down properly. So now we're going to take off the wheel. Next thing we're going to do is remove the cap on the end of this axle. I'm using the wrong tool for the job here, but I just used a flathead screwdriver and kind of chiseled the end cap off. Next thing we're going to do is remove this cotter pin. You're just going to straighten it out and then push it through or pull it through. The problem with these is the axle nut is real loose. You're gonna want it kind of loose because there's a certain torque that you have to put these on, but they're definitely not supposed to be that loose. This is the tool that I would normally use to torque down the axle nut, but I don't have a socket big enough to get over the nut, so I'm just going to use this wrench here. I believe it's 1 7/8 inches, but you're just going to want to get it tight and spin the hub back and forth and loosen it up and then snug it up real good. You're not going to want it too tight. You basically just want it just past finger tight. So next you're going to put the cotter pin back in, and usually you don't want to use the same cotter pin, but since this is my trailer I don't really care. I'm going to use the same cotter pin anyway. And then you're going to fold it back over, put the dust cap back on, just kind of hammer it on. And now we are ready to put the wheel back on. And as you can see, I'm checking the wheel bearings here. The wheel is not rocking back and forth, so that fixes the problem. You can now lower the trailer and do the other side. It's the same thing, just the other side, and that will fix your trailer.